All right, we're gonna pedal in a minute. All right. Apparently, I gotta be the chauffeur today. So, you ready, Jeremiah? We're gonna ride out. You got a nice little whip over there. We're gonna ride today, huh? Nice weather today. We're gonna ride. Terry, it's pretty fun. How about you, Jeremiah? How you doing back there? You okay? Huh?
I could do some yesterday, Daddy.
You're riding on these bikes. Nice little ride. Nice. Good car. Right. Jeremiah, you having fun? How you like the ride? How you like this ride, man? Here we go. Coming up there. Coming to the right. Jeremiah, you going like that? He's back there. He's behind us. Hmm? Yeah, he's coming up behind us. All right. Going to the finish line. Oh, we about to go through the tunnel. We about to go through the tunnel, Jeremiah. We go through the tunnel. Going through the tunnel. Whoa. Through the tunnel. Hello. Can you see us going through the tunnel, Jeremiah? Through the tunnel we go. We just went through the tunnel. How you like the tunnel? Was that cool? You can do it. You can do it. You went way up on the other one. You got this. You can do it. Yeah. Big guy. You got it, Jeremiah. You going this way? Down the slide. Down the slide. Hey. It's nice out here. Oh, I love some airplanes now. Oh no, it's all good. I'm recording video anyway. It's all good. I'm just recording. It's all good. Look at those airplanes, man. I've never seen an airport. I've never seen an airport like this before. In real life, never seen them like this before myself. This is pretty awesome. I love airplanes so much. Like I said, if I wasn't afraid of heights, I'd fly airplanes. I love airplanes. I really do think.